Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 21st, 2021. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Moderna. There's definitely something on this chart I wanted to show everyone in our community that we need to take advantage of, or that we need to see, so that we can get understand as to what the market really is trying to show us. So if you're not a member, if you're not a community member of ours, you want to join our team, hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe here to the channel. We want to help one another out. We want to collaborate so that we can see from the price where the market is going to go, so that we can dominate in the stock market, right? We don't want to make no one confused. We don't want to look at no fundamental analysis. We don't want to have 18 indicators on our price chart, because all of those things cannot put a price on these products or these stocks. So why would you even add it or even try to do research on those things, right? We're going to show you that with Moderna. So you want to join us, hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel. We don't hype nothing up, right? Because we don't care. The only thing that we hype up is the price. We want to be in position. Whether the price goes higher, whether the price goes lower, we do not care, because we can win and increase our accounts either way the market goes. It doesn't matter. So let's look at Moderna real quick. All right, first things first. If you've been part of our community for a while, you understand that one of the first things we do when we look at price charts is paying attention to the volume, right? So something happened yesterday, massively happened. Look at that massive amount of volume that came through, right? You can't hide it. Retail traders cannot create this much volume. I don't care if they're trying to do an attack on hedge funds or short sellers who's trying to short a particular company. Retail traders can't do that much volume. This was a big player that came into the market in Moderna yesterday. A big player. Look at the volume. It stands out, right? When you see this much volume come through, you need to come in and pay attention and try to evaluate, okay, what happened? Because there's only two things that can happen in the markets. Two, that's it. Either whoever did that much volume, either they bought more Moderna or they sold it. It's just that simple. So take a look at where the price is in relation to where we came from. What do you think occurred in all of that volume that we've seen yesterday? Really, we came from low. Look at this. We came from the low all the way up to around $340 per share in Moderna. So what do you really think happened? You really thought, or are you thinking that someone came in and bought more Moderna at these high prices, all-time high prices, or do you think they sold? I think they sold. You cannot get this much volume trading at all-time highs and think that someone, a bitch hedge fund, came in and purchased it, right? Now let's take a look at it. Okay, no doubt, Moderna is in an uptrend, long-term uptrend. This is the type of environment, market, that you want to come in and just hold for the long term, right? Since 2019 to 2021, the market price in Moderna has gone from, right, 2018, 2,384% in the last 2 years, right? Now, let me zoom in and let's take a look at the market on a minute time frame, because you can see what happened on yesterday's trading. Okay, take a look. The market in Moderna started out around $325, topped out around $340, and then that's when the market came in and dropped. Right here. This is where the market started to drop. So now we're seeing this market in Moderna hit some selling. Profit taking is going on. Okay, someone is profiting off of the price in Moderna while it's at these high prices. Okay, now again, it doesn't mean that Moderna is done with higher prices. 2019 to today, the market's been going higher, period. But we can still play the weakness. We can still play the overall environment in Moderna, because this is restriction right here. It's just that simple. So we're looking at this on a minute basis. This is where the market trap it's telling us that this market is finding hard problems breaking above. So $318, $320 give and take is where it is. So we already know where we're going to go until the market price in Moderna breaks above 320. It's just that easy, just that simple. Okay. So yeah, we're in weakness right now. So where's the bottom? How low can the price go? Right, you guys can already see pre-market at $302.60. Now it doesn't mean that the market won't open there, but we're still showing some weakness. So let's check this out on a 90-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the 90-minute chart, and this is definitely emphatically weak. Okay, now I'm seeing some areas of support: 300, 290. Let's check it out. That's about 2.19% market movement to the downside to 290, which is around 5%. Okay. Could this be the trend? Takes it back over to the daily. Could this be the trend into the market in Moderna? Because if that is, we can see this market in Moderna decrease like another 17, 18% right there to hold this overall trend. So let me take that back over to the 90. We're going to bring down the overall restriction area here. Okay. So this is not like a long-term play. Okay. What I'm doing on this price prediction is playing this on a smaller time frame. We just want to see how much weakness comes through, or if the trap will come through and try to buy up all of the selling that has been going on yesterday's trade. Because if so, then this market definitely got longer legs to continue to go higher in price. Okay, this is how you're able to surveil the landscape in these markets to see how weak the market really is. One, and then two, if there is a market to where people are willing to buy Moderna at these high prices. Because if so, that's a dead giveaway that the market's going to go a lot higher and even make all-time highs throughout 2021, 2022. That will give us a lot of information, right? So be on the lookout for that, right? I'm not telling you that this is a surefire sell. I'm not telling you that this is a surefire buy at the moment. We're just sitting back, kick back, take a look at what the market is going to do over the next couple of days. Because if we maintain price above 290, 280, yeah, this market in Moderna is having goals to continue to make all-time highs throughout 2021, 2022. But right now, the environment is telling me that with all this volume, there was a big institution, whether it was a hedge fund, whether it was a banking institution, who knows, but they cannot hide from their market activity. They sold. Somebody took profit. Okay. So we're going to follow them. We're going to play the lead. We're going to continue to play the weakness in the market in Moderna. We're not overly weak. We're not telling you that the price is going to completely crash and fall 40%. No. But we got to be understanding that this is how the market operates. This is how it functions. People need to come in and take profit every once in a while. And this is what this high volume means. Pay attention to this. Every time you look at a price chart, always look at the volume. Always. Because it tells you what happened on that day. Okay. So this is it. We're going to play just a little bit of weakness here into the market in Moderna. But based on this volume, 290 might not even be a problem. Market may even come all the way down here to fill this gap. Right, this gap right here. Okay, and it's going to be a very quick touch though, right? We're not going to be trading here for 4 or 5 days consecutively around 265. No, it might just be a one quick boom and move right back up, right? To take out those orders that didn't get filled there. So I'm going to bring it all the way down there. But I'm looking at around 290 first, which was about 5%. Next area would be about 280. But then I'm going to take it all the way down here to the high that came in on July the 15th. Try to fill that gap right there. Okay. Now, with that being stated, since we got it coming all the way down around 263, I'm going to increase this up to the highs that came into the market on yesterday as restriction. Okay. But this horizontal line is where that current restriction is on the 90-minute bars. So let's see how this market plays out in Moderna. It's just that easy, just that simple. Okay. So hopefully you all have learned something from reading price charts, right? It's not confusing. It gives us a lot of information if you just learn how to interpret it. You don't need to have those useless and pointless indicators. You don't have to read articles about any mergers and acquisitions and, earnings reports. How much revenue has Moderna created since first quarter 2021, second quarter 2021? Who cares? Whoever came in yesterday in the market of Moderna has already done their research. They know something. And for the price to be trading at all-time highs to see the most volume, they know something. What do you know? This is what we're expecting right there. So drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all think about Moderna, where we're going to go. This is what we're seeing. You're part of our team. We collaborate. So drop the comment in the comment section and tell me, what do you think about Moderna? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, peace.